Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find like faces that move when you talk or when you blink when you use like the motion tracking system. So I think go to dynamic and you're just going to type in animated. Sometimes it's just the eyes, but there are some heads where the lips move as well. Here I'll show you, well, the one that I have is already animated, but let's try this one. Okay, then let's use the motion tracking here. As you can see, when I blink, and oh, this one, when I talk, as you can see, the mouth moves like, sorry, I'm like testing it out with like myself, but okay. Sorry. And this is what it looks like. The mouth and the eye moves. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can find like faces that are animated. And yeah, it's pretty cute. So I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!